We perform several assumption tests. The dependent variable test 4 scores and the independent variable study hours and critical thinking are normally distributed. The Shapiro-Wilks tests were conducted for all variables. Normality assumption was met for all variables, with the p-value greater than 0.05. Therefore, the normality assumption is satisfied. There was a linear relationship between the independent variables of study hours and critical thinking and the dependent variable of test 4 scores. The scatter plot of the variables showed a positive linear trend for both pairs, test 4 scores versus study hours and test 4 scores versus critical thinking. Collinearity indicates no multicollinearity. Tolerance values are above 0.02 for study hours and critical thinking, and the VIF values are below 10. The Durbin-Watson statistic is 2.337, close to the value of 2. This confirms the residuals are independent. The scatter plot of standardized residuals versus standardized predicted values show no patterns of funneling, suggesting constant variance of residuals. The p-plot of standardized residuals shows points are closely following the diagonal line, indicating approximate normality. The Cook's values are well below 1, indicating no influential cases biasing the model. Overall, the assumptions for the analysis are met.